Okay, so now we have to check the engine compartment. At this point, if you've already checked the windshield, sometimes it's good to check the windshield wipers, make sure that they are there, that they are rubbery, they're not brittle or cracking. You want to check both of them. And this is something that you can check later, but you're right here, so what I like to do is try to go through the vehicle in an FBI search pattern, where you start at one end and you go all the way around and you finish here again. And so this is right in the way. And you don't lose any points if you check something twice, but if you forget something, then you do. So it's always better just to double check it. So now we're going to check the engine compartment. Open up the engine. And we're going to do it as well, starting from the left and working our way through the whole engine. So the first thing that we see is the battery here, and the battery needs to be secure. So this is moving around a little bit. We would probably say that this needs to get some sort of reinforcement so that it doesn't move around like that. Another thing that we would check are the terminals, that they are secure and they're not corroded. That's something else that's important. And as we keep moving, there's the windshield washer fluid. This isn't part of the exam, but it's always good to check. And you might not actually be able to look, so the way to know if you have some is just to, when you do use it, a windshield washer, that it'll actually work and water will come out. Alright, the next thing we have here is the oil. So this is just like any regular car. Pull out the dipstick and wipe it, and then you can see here the markings. So it says here add if it's below these hash marks, and then operating range is between the hash marks, and if you overfilled it, it would be above the hash mark. So we're gonna put it back inside and check that. And you can see that it's in the right level for checking the vehicle. It's right in the hash marks. And the oil looks kind of dirty, so it's kind of black. This probably needs to be replaced soon. The other thing we want to check is the transmission fluid. Why don't we pause it?